This isn't just a heritage piece, it's 300 hours of industrial craftsmanship. Watch how we transformed raw buffalo skin into this master-grade lodge seating. Raw buffalo hides are stacked high in the warehouse. The journey from rugged skin to luxury furniture begins. Inspectors check the hide for natural imperfections. Only the most durable sections move to the processing line. Workers manually transport the weighted skins. The heavy cleaning and hydration stages are set to begin. Calipers verify the extreme 4.5 millimeter thickness. This confirms superior strength over standard bovine leather. Massive drums flood with water to rehydrate skins. Salt is removed during a grueling 24-hour cleaning cycle. Violent churning inside the drums strips away hair. A clean, pale, and porous surface is left behind. High-speed blades shave the underside of the hide. A uniform thickness is created for seamless assembly. Hides soak in deep vats of vegetable tanning liquor. Natural tannins bind to the fibers for lifelong durability. The leather emerges with a rich cognac color. Pigments are absorbed deep into the pebbled grain. Hides are stretched across perforated metal frames. Vacuum drying stabilizes the structural moisture. High-tension clips pull the leather perfectly flat. This ensures the grain remains smooth during curing. A CNC laser glides across the hide to cut patterns. Zero waste is achieved with cauterized, clean edges. Artisans mark premium features like natural scars. These are featured as marks of high-end authenticity. Kiln-dried oak boards are joined by hand. A heavy structural skeleton is built to support the leather. Pneumatic fasteners drive steel pins into the oak. Load-bearing joints are reinforced for extreme durability. Pressurized steam is blasted into the leather pores. The rigid fibers become pliable enough to be shaped. Artisans stretch the 5 millimeter skin over foam padding. The sofa's rugged yet refined silhouette is defined. Deep tufting is created by hand-pulling needles. Buttons secure the classic diamond pattern into place. A walking foot machine binds the final seams. High-tensile nylon thread ensures maximum seam strength. Bone tools are used to crease and define the edges. The furniture takes on a sharp, architectural look. Inspectors examine every stitch and grain variation. The piece must meet strict ultra-luxury standards. Organic wax is hand-rubbed into the grain. A protective barrier and a deep, oily luster are created. The finished sectional is shown in a rustic lodge. Raw strength is transformed into the ultimate luxury. The workshop falls silent as the piece is finished. A 300-hour journey of craftsmanship is complete.